Hello, welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn. I am here fresh out of the mailbox with my March 2020 Ipsy bag. I think it took a little bit longer to get here because I did order one extra thing. For some reason, they were giving you like a $2 credit towards something, and so those the sample size things that are normally $3, you only had to pay $1 for. So I paid $1 for whatever extra thing I got in here, which I can't remember what it was. Okay, like all this stuff is outside of the bag. So anyway, it's kind of a pretty bag. It reminds me of something else. Didn't we have a studded bag like this not too long ago? Anyway, it is kind of a tealish pleather bag with silver studs and like a neon type green pull tab. Does it say Ipsy on it? I don't think it says Ipsy or anything on it. The back of the bag does say Ipsy though. Anyway, let's see. This is the card. So celebrate you. And then the items that I have in there. Okay, so the first thing that fell out of the bag is this Luxie brush, which, what kind of Luxie brush is it? A Pro Precision Tapered. I don't know what you would use this on, but I have probably a whole collection of Luxie brushes, and oh, it's very soft. But I've never used one of them because I just think they're too pretty to use. So that's a nice fluffy brush. I don't know what you would, maybe a highlighter, like just very gently and then like highlighting. But I thought a highlighter was a fan brush, but you know what? I think this might be the thing I got as an extra. Playlist Handle It Hand Cream, Raspberry and Macaron. It's probably closed. It is closed. Can I smell it though? Ooh, I can take the top off. No, I cannot take the top off. Okay, well, whatever. I don't want to open this. I have a lot of lotions going on right now. So, but I bet you that's probably smells lovely. Raspberry macaron, right? Because it doesn't have a double O. Anyway, and then then you got to select one of the things that you wanted for your bag. And so this was just part of the normal 5. I selected this, which is a Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream, like a face cream. And I had a Tatcha oil one time, which I did not like because I don't like facial oils. That panting right there is Kodiak. She was just outside being a little brat with Berlin, and I made her come in and him stay out because they were just making all kinds of ruckus out there, and I couldn't do the video. Anyway, it's kind of a purplish cream. Has a light scent to it, but it's just a facial cream. But I hear Tatcha is like really expensive and really good. It's really smooth. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really smooth. So I'm assuming it's a facial cream. It says skin cream. Well, let's just see here. It is a dull skin. Yeah, so anywhere. It's also a pro tip is pop this cream in your fridge. It'll feel extra refreshing and calm the puffiness when you apply. So that would imply face, huh? A deluxe sample, a full size of this is $68. That's the first time I've ever seen that kind of stuff. I can't see. So this is, oh, this isn't on here because I paid the extra for this. So I don't know how much this is, but this Luxie brush, full size is $24 for this. This is a little tiny thing, little tiny thing here. Awake, I don't know what it is. Awake Lip Therapy Lip Mask. A full size of this is $20. After a long winter, our lips really need some TLC, so it is packed with antioxidant-rich plant oils like argan, rose hip, and olive that hydrate and smooth your lips. Plus, the fruity scent is so refreshing. Let's see. I can only smell the Tatcha. I can't smell it. Anyway, it's a little tiny sample. Maybe I can get through this because I tell you, I have all these lip scrubs and oils and whatever, and I cannot get through any of them. Okay, so this is Pacifica Wild Hemp Infused Eyeshadows. That's cute. The colors are Quartz, Dusty, Smoky Quartz, Tiger, Crystal Flower. Those sound like I would like them. I've been putting eyeliner or a highlighter on my eyes. It's a cute little sample, all nice and packaged. It's got some hemp leaves on it. Oh God, it's taped up. Okay. Oh, another thing. I did that video for Berlin, and Susan, you had a question about where the dog treats were made, and I emailed the lady that asked me to do the review, and so I'm waiting for her response. Obviously, they're packaged in New York, but I agree. You know, you really want to know where they're made. I looked at the bag I have left because he already went through the beef ones. He loved the beef. So did they. The other dogs did too. But even the other dogs didn't care for the chicken as much as the beef. So I cannot open this. Okay, I'm just going to have to destroy the box, even though it's cute. Okay. Oh, this looks like another one I have by Pacifica. Those are some pretty colors, though, aren't they? So yeah, that's really pretty colors. And, ooh, really smooth, really smooth. That's the end one here. Now let's see what it looks like if I were to use it over this. Now, it rubbed in a little powdery. You really can't see that, but it kind of stopped and stuttered, so, but it feels really creamy. So I have another Pacifica eyeshadow, more orangey, that I don't use very often, but I know it takes a lot, like a lot of applications to get on your face. So that's my experience with that. Eyeliner Sequoia liquid eyeliner. Oh God, like I need another. This is not as pointy as that other one that I got from Too Faced Sex Kitten. Well, I think Susan, you might have had a question about that. And oh, it's pretty. Look at the line there. Yeah, it's pretty sharp. Not as sharp as that Sex Kitten one though by Too Faced. Anyway, this is Eyeliner Sequoia. I really can't tell what that says. Eyeliner. I probably will never use it because I have too many eyeliners. Okay, so here's a Kenzie. Oh, Kenzie's a perfume. Kenzie in So Pretty. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to smell this. It's a cute, large sample. Claim your free beauty gift at Kenzie Fragrance. And there's also a 30% off coupon inside of it. So let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells yummy. It smells very musky, which I'm really digging musky kind of stuff lately. It doesn't say what kind of flavor or whatever. Let's see, the card says, where is it at? Well, it says bright. Okay. Fruity notes of apple and tangerine are fresh and bright, while green floral notes are the perfect mix of flirty and fun. I'm smelling very musk. I don't smell fruit at all. But I love it. I love it, love it, love it. A full size of this is $55. So, okay, I will probably never buy that, but I love the smell of this. Is so good. So, anyway, well, I was disgusted. No, I did not get distracted, did I? I wanted to say that on my videos, when you guys comment, for some reason my comments are disabled, and then I have to like go find where comments are, and if I go and reply, and then if you reply back to me, I can then never see it again. So I don't know if I have something wrong with my settings or whatnot. I don't know. So I apologize if I don't respond to everybody, because if I respond, I can never then see it again. So sorry about that, guys. So I'm trying to remember the people that are asking questions. And Susan, thank you so much for always watching the video, and Melody, thank you so much as well. Okay, so that's it. So there's a cute little pleather bag. There's this delightful, musky, to me, Kenzie perfume, which I love. It's going to be sitting in my cabinet getting used right away. The Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. Did I say how much that was full price? Yeah, $68. This hand cream, which probably smells great, but I'm not going to open it up. This black Ilamsqua eyeliner. Luxie brush, always love them, even though I'll never use them. This Awake lip mask, and the Pacifica eyeshadows, hemp eyeshadow. Anyway, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're staying at home, and I hope we all get through this, even though life has really changed. I hope we all get through this, and I'm thinking of each and every one of you that send your messages to me. I'm thinking of each and every one of you, and you know, God bless us all. Anyway, I will see you hopefully soon with something else that the world doesn't, you know, stop sending stuff, because what would we do? And thank you to anybody that's out there having to work in whatever you're having to do. All week long, my husband and his daughter had to work at the schools, and I was terrified the entire week. So the rest of my family is now home safe, and they're off for the next month. So everybody's going to be home safe here, and hopefully we don't starve to death. Thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless each and every one of us.